Hello, everyone. What is the function of NFC on a mobile phone? Learn in 1 minute. Modestly, many smartphones have added NFC functionality. The addition of this feature is nothing less than a major highlight of the phone, but many people still don't know what NFC is. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It evolved from the integration of contactless, frequency recognition and interconnection technology. It provides a highly secure and convenient communication method for various electronic products. NFC operates in modes such as card emulation, point-to-point mode, P2P mode, and reader writer mode. NFC and Bluetooth are both short-range communication technologies, and both are integrated into mobile devices. The NFC doesn't require complex and cumbersome setup processes. The advantage of NFC over Bluetooth lies in its tap-to-transfer capability. NFC, however, cannot achieve the long-distance transmission capabilities of Bluetooth. The maximum data transfer rate of NFC is 424 kbps per second, much lower than the 24 megabits per second of Bluetooth 5.0. While NFC falls short in transmission speed and distance compared to Bluetooth, NFC technology can achieve lower power consumption and simpler connections. Currently, NFC utilizes mobile terminals for mobile payments, electronic ticketing, access control, mobile identity recognition, and more. It can simulate a transit card, turning the phone into a transit card. It can also simulate a bank card, allowing for card payments at POS terminals. It can even simulate a community access card, turning the phone into a key.